Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Harmony Grove, the village nestled in the embrace of nature. Thatched roof cottages dotted the landscape, surrounded by vibrant flowers and towering trees. Alba the Albatross, Crispin the Crane, and Percy the Peacock lived harmoniously since childhood. Their unique qualities brought color to the village. Grand festival was announced, casting a wave of excitement across Harmony Grove. Each bird friend was invited to showcase their talents. Alba soared gracefully through the sky, a dance of wings that left everyone in awe. Crispin swayed with elegance, showcasing his long, slender legs in a mesmerizing dance. Percy, with his vibrant plumage, painted the air with a kaleidoscope of colors. As the fun continued, the birds found that working together was the real magic. Their different skills made a show that was even better than what they could do alone. This important idea spread through Harmony Grove. Being together is good, even if we're different. Alba, Crispin, and Percy showed everyone how friends can be symbols of working together. They taught the town that being different and helping each other makes something really beautiful. From that time on, Harmony Grove liked having lots of differences, all because of the special friendship of the three birds.